everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on one of our fans, Grace. She's a fan of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and this is one of her quilts. It measures 94 by 86 and it has a very beautiful little board, about 4 inches, and I did circles in it. And you might be able to see it when the little camera goes around on the very lovely and luxuriously gray flannel backing. We chose a very bright thread so it would show up on that gray backing, and it's called electric blue, and I thought it would go very well with this project. So this is a block that she's actually designed herself. She couldn't quite find what she was looking for, drew something up on a piece of paper, copied it many times, and paper pieced this beautiful project together. Isn't it lovely? Beautiful, stunning job. She does beautiful work. I love working on her stuff, and she usually gives me the free rein to do what I want and however I like to do it, thread, backing, batting, everything. It's 80-20, and since this is going to Midwest, like out in Alberta, so let's make it nice and warm. So we're just going to continue it here. Just make sure I got the right key going on. Sorry about that. I shut down the little window. Oh, resume. There we go. And it's doing a stitch out. It's called Curious Cats, and they kind of go tail to tail and ear to ear sort of thing as it's stitching itself out. And just goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way across. And I have this set up to, I think it's 14 rows to complete this full quilt. And I think there's, hold on, 2, 4, 6, 8 cats being stitched out per the wide width. Is that lovely? Beautiful. So it just goes to show, if you can't find something that you like, and you flip through all the magazines, you've gone to the library, you've flipped through all the books, can't find anything you like, make up your own. There's lots of softwares out there to aid you. There's EQ8. We do episodes on that every month on EQ8 for our block of the month, and how we make it work for us on how to design. So right now we've got Munchkin's block of the month, and very much looking forward to February's block of the month, and yeah, we're having a lot of fun. It's gonna look awesome, very much so. So this is Curious Cats getting all stitched up in electric blue thread. And thank you, Grace, for the project. It's beautiful. I love the pinks and the grays, and then with the pinks and the blues, the flowers that go with it, and the pink. Yeah, it looks really lovely. It looks really lovely. And then I have my choice of either one of these two, or 3, actually, I think there's 3 choices for the binding, or all of them. I could mix and match, but I'll probably just try and keep it to one. Isn't it lovely? And beautiful little colored thread. Just stands up just enough on the front, but really stands up on the back, and that's what she wanted. Something to really stand up on the back. And then we have a nice cute little project to go with it. Since this is a huge cat lover, this quilt is going to. Her name is Taylor. I'm also going to put her name in the border on one side. And there's this lovely little cat bed to go with it. So I quilt that up as well. Put some fun little stitches in there. And that's going to be for the kitty cat. Isn't that cute? Love it. And then there's matching pillowcases to go with it. So it's a fantastic gift, and I can't wait for it to be all done. Just so she gets to mail it off. That's the best part, is waiting for them to get it. Yeah, super cute cat stitch out. Yeah, we picked this up special for this quilt project. We went looking, there was quite a few, some more on the Halloween side, and that's not quite what we were looking for. I thought this would still be great when we do cat beds for the shelters, and we can put that, you know, when we're stitching all the funky fabrics together, or all the scrappy bits. There we go. We can quilt that up. Little cutie cat. Isn't it cute? Very adorable. So that was 2 cats that it just stitched out. Now it's just going to go and do 2 more, and then 2 more, and 2 more. Like I said, there's 8 to stitch all the way out. Adorable. Absolutely love it. Like I said, and gorgeous gray flannel backing and the 80-20 batting. It's going to be such a beautiful, warm, comfy, cuddly quilt. Very much so. I'll let the little camera finish so you can finish watching the whole row stitch out and see all the beautiful color combination Grace has in this quilt. That's for one of her loved ones. And we will see you on tomorrow, I'm hoping, for the Quilt of Valor. So I'm going to do most of the day. It's going to be a live stream, so about between 10 and 11 Eastern AM. I'm going to queue up for the live stream and then just go away for a few hours and then, you know, pretty much give myself enough time to get, you know, changed and ready for afternoon crossing guard. So hopefully you can join me for that. Really, hopefully you can. So take care, and we'll see you either Thursday or on Friday on the weekend project, or Saturday on the live stream at 1 p.m. also Eastern. Don't forget to check us out on Patreon. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Take care, everybody. See you later.